Hi, a big thank you to everyone who's been clicking on the videos, everyone who's been liking and subscribing, leaving comments in regards to these Subaru issues that many of us have been experiencing. So it's been kind of cool to see the response and feedback, to get some subscribers, and as I've promised, here's some additional content in regards to the battery issues people are having. Now, in my previous video for the Canadian update, the website was not up and running, but it is now. So we're going to take a look at it right now here on the screen in just a second. So again, if you're not familiar, it's Subaru.ca/batteryprogram, and that will take you to the website that you need to go to in order to make a claim. So when the website loads, you'll see that it's the battery warranty enhancement program, and there's reimbursement requests. So this is where you might get some money. And it looks like you have to submit prior to June 1st, 2023. You'll need some information such as your vehicle's VIN, which would be found on your insurance documents, or yeah, I guess it would be found there, or on your vehicle if you needed to look that up. You need your contact information, so be prepared to share that with Subaru. And then going down, there's several categories for reimbursement. Now, the first being repair costs at the dealer in regards to battery failure. The second is being stranded expenses in related to your battery failure. And the last is to any ECM updates. Now, what you want to do is you want to click on, if you're going to look at repair costs, you have to click here and you'll have to fill out this information again. So you'll have to fill out your VIN. You'll have to take a look here and see what they offer in terms of reimbursement. It is a little bit confusing. It seems like if you have only one repair and you're, with it between 5 and 7 years, you won't get reimbursed. But if you have 2 or 3 repairs, you will. But anyways, you'll have to fill out your repair costs. There's this section here. If you can't find any documentation, there's something called the good sort of faith section here where you can describe why you don't have that documentation, and then it's up to Subaru to decide whether or not you're going to qualify for reimbursement. So definitely take a look, see if any of this applies to you. Includes towing and diagnosis, includes towing services related to the battery conditions, and 1 or more battery replacements. So we'll close that. Now the second section is for getting stranded. So if we take a look here, you'll have to provide the details of when you were stranded, what the costs were, and this is only as a result of 2 or more battery failures within 5 years. So you have to be in your first 5 years. You have to detail, why you were stranded, what the costs are, and then again, it has a good faith section again. So if you don't have that documentation, you don't have a tow truck or hotel costs or whatever it was, you don't have the receipts anymore. You'll just have to describe why, and hopefully Subaru will take care of you there. The last section is if you've paid for any ECM updates related to this issue. This would likely have been at a dealership. It seems odd that you'd have to have paid for this, but if you did somehow, you can fill out, again, your information. You fill out your VIN, and the good faith section is there again. You fill out this information, and hopefully, you'll get reimbursed. Now you'll notice these PDFs are fillable, so you can type in your information, save the PDF, and then in the next section here, you will upload your PDF. So when you're done, click Upload Files, and you can upload multiple files. So when I did this, when I submitted mine, I uploaded multiple files, and then yeah, click Submit. After clicking Submit, it said that it would take 30 to 45 days to hear back, and then if I was eligible for reimbursement, I would need to go to my local Subaru dealership in order to get that money, which seems kind of odd, but I guess that's the process. And yeah, I only had a receipt for 1 battery, even though I've had to do 2 battery replacements. So I submitted that, I only had the receipt for 1. The other one, the one that I didn't have a receipt for, was the exact same cost. And yeah, gonna wait and see what happens, and I will definitely provide an update for you with how that goes and if I get any money back. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm off to the dealership for the ECM update. I should be getting that done in the next couple of weeks or so. And once I get that done, I will also provide an update to see if that has made any difference to the the voltage in my vehicle as I'm driving, as I'm flick the headlights on and off. And then hopefully that'll have resolved the battery issues and you won't need to watch these videos anymore. Again, thank you for everyone that's liked and subscribed. I really, really, really appreciate it, and I'd love to get to that magical 1,000 subscribers. So please, I'm hoping to make more Subaru content. If you've liked and enjoyed the video, subscribe. Thanks. Take care.